I have tested hundreds of AI tools for my business. And honestly, most of them are a waste of time. But these 6 actually saved me time and money. And I use them every single week. In this video, I'm going to show you 6 AI tools, real prompts, real results, live on screen. And the last one on this list, tool number 6, is going to completely change how your business looks online. Stick around for that one. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. Most business owners spend hours every week just posting on social media and figuring out what to write. Let me show you how fast this actually is. Watch this. I am typing, give me 5 promotional social media posts for a local business, 1 for a discount, 1 for a new arrival, 1 testimonial style, 1 festive post, and 1 general brand awareness post. Keep them short with emojis. 5 posts ready to use in under 10 seconds. But ChatGPT is not just for content. Watch this. I am planning my week and I have 8 tasks for my business. Help me organize them into a priority list and tell me which 3 I should do first. So that is writing sorted and your day organized in under a minute. But writing is only half the job. What about the paperwork sitting on your desk right now? Tool number 2. Claude. Every business owner has something messy sitting somewhere. A rough plan, a contract, notes on your phone. This is where Claude is genuinely better than ChatGPT. I am pasting my business plan draft here and asking, review this, point out any gaps or weak areas and suggest 3 specific improvements. Look at that, real feedback, not generic advice. Now here is something Claude is specifically known for. Write a 60-second video script for a product promo, energetic and persuasive tone, a strong hook in the first 3 seconds, 2 to 3 key benefits, and a clear call to action with scene directions. This is the kind of writing task where Claude genuinely outperforms other tools, long, structured, well-paced content. But writing the script is one thing. What if you did not need to record it yourself at all? Tool number 3, Minimax. Hiring a voice artist for an ad costs money and takes days. This takes minutes, and here is exactly how. First, I upload a short voice sample, just 10 to 15 seconds is enough. Now watch what happens next. I am typing the script. Tired of paying too much for the same products? We have got exactly what you need at prices that actually make sense. Visit us this week and see the difference for yourself. Listen to that. Tired of paying too much for the same products? We've got exactly what you need at prices that actually make sense. Visit us this week and see the difference for yourself. That is a cloned voice reading a script I just typed without spending a single dollar on a voice artist or a studio. But what if you wanted a face for your ad too, not just a voice? Tool number 4, HeyGen. I trained my own AI avatar once and now I can make video ads without ever picking up a camera. Let me show you. This only takes a few minutes to set up once. Now watch this. Hey everyone, big news. We have just restocked and there is a special discount running this weekend only. Come check it out or message us to order. Hey everyone, big news, we've just restocked and there's a special discount running this weekend only. Come check it out or message us to order. That is not a stock avatar, that is trained on me. Now imagine your face, your business saying whatever you need anytime you need it. But a video is nothing without somewhere for people to actually go. Tool number 5, Lovable. Building a website used to mean hiring a developer and waiting weeks. Now it takes minutes and I'm going to prove it right now. Build a clean modern website for a small clothing store, including a homepage with a hero banner, a product section showing a few items with prices, an about section, and a contact or WhatsApp order button. Watch it build this in real time. This is not a template, this is being generated from scratch right now. And that is it done. Now here is the one I have genuinely been waiting to show you. Tool number 6, Google Flow. Your product photos are often the reason people do not trust your shop online. Here is how you fix that in seconds. This is a normal photo, nothing special. Now watch what happens. Turn this product photo into a professional promotional poster. Add clean modern typography with space for a bold discount text, studio quality lighting, a soft gradient background, and a premium commercial look. Look at that difference. Same product, completely different impression. And it does not stop at photos. Generate a short UGC style promotional video from this product photo with natural handheld camera movement and warm realistic lighting, as if someone is showcasing the product casually.
This is literally the perfect black hoodie. The material is so thick and soft, and I love the fit of it. You honestly need this essential. Check out this smart lamp. It has a warm glow. You can adjust it easily. Perfect for my desk.
A photo, a poster, and a video from one plain picture.
Look how easily they fit. You need these.
in under a minute. So think about it. ChatGPT and Claude handle your writing and your paperwork. Minimax and HeyGen give you a voice and a face without any equipment. And Lovable and Google Flow build your website and your visuals. That is basically a marketing team in your pocket for a fraction of the cost. If this saved you time, subscribe. Now tell me one thing in the comments. Do you want a full course on these tools or just a quick tutorial on one of them? Want to see how I actually built a full AI short film? Watch that video right there. See you in the next one.